Imagine standing beside the Tigris River more than 1200 years ago. In 762 AD, the Abbasid Caliphate founded a new city here. Its name was Baghdad, and nobody could have imagined what this city would become. Within just a few decades, Baghdad was transforming rapidly. The city grew around the famous Round City.
Surrounded by massive walls and monumental buildings, merchants, travelers, craftsmen, and scholars began arriving from across the Islamic world. Then came the Golden Age. Baghdad became one of the greatest centers of knowledge on earth. Mathematics, astronomy, medicine, philosophy, and literature flourished here.
Books and ideas traveled through the city almost as quickly as goods. For centuries, Baghdad remained one of the world's most important cities. The Tigris carried ships and merchants through its heart. Markets filled its streets, while scholars searched for knowledge in its libraries and learning centers. In 1258, disaster arrived. The Mongol army captured Baghdad, the city that had once stood. At the heart of the Golden Age was devastated. One of the most remarkable chapters in Baghdad's history had come to a brutal end. But Baghdad did not disappear. Across the centuries, the city slowly rebuilt itself. New generations returned to the Tigris. Mosques, markets, and neighborhoods rose again from the ruins. The city survived. By the beginning of the 20th century, Baghdad was changing once again. Old traditions remained, but a new era of modernization was beginning. The ancient city was slowly becoming a modern capital. By the middle of the 20th century, cars, paved roads, bridges, and modern buildings were transforming Baghdad. The city was no longer the Baghdad of the Abbasids, but the Tigris still flowed through its heart. By the year 2000, Baghdad had become a vast, modern metropolis. Centuries of history were now hidden beneath layers of modern development. Yet the ancient river remained a constant witness to it all.
And today, in 2026, Baghdad is still here. Through a golden age, destruction, rebuilding, and modernization,
more than 12 centuries have passed. The buildings changed, the people changed, but the Tigris kept flowing. This is Baghdad, a city that refused to disappear.
Follow and subscribe Legacy Atlas for more incredible journeys through history.